All right, so our dough has rested from pre-shape, and we're going to shape a batard. I've got two different ways to show you. Regardless of the way that we're going to shape it, we're going to prep our basket first by dusting it with just a little bit of regular flour, okay? I am going to dust the top of the lobes with some flour. The first way is so simple, okay? I'm going to flip it upside down, taking my bench scraper, and what I'm going to do, each side, I'm just going to bring to the very center. So from the bottom to the top, top to the bottom, rotate it, bottom to the top, and then top to the center. Now that's really it, and I'm going to pick it up and place it seam side up in the basket like this. The next way, I'm going to be able to get it just a little bit tighter, but it's a little bit trickier to do, okay? So still flour the top of it, and then upside down in front of you. I then take the side of it, pull, and straight to the top of this. The top then comes to the center. Now I turn it, and I've kind of got this taper going on. Next, what I do, form a tail, and roll it straight forward. Once I get to the ends, I bring the sides just in, flip, tuck, and that's it. Okay? So I then pick this up, and again, seam side up in the proofing basket, but you can see that it's very smooth and round and tight and sitting up on itself, okay? So those are two ways to shape a batard.